Hello everyone, today I will show you how to shut down my laptop using keyboard. So this is my laptop and provide two methods. In the first method, showing you to power up option. So long press in my power up button, 5 seconds, long press, then automatically shut down. Or and the second method, look here my Windows button and X button. At first long press Windows button and click on X button, then open this, okay, and click on to my U button, then open to select shutdown option, okay, select shutdown and just press on enter. Okay, now successfully shut down my laptop. So that's it.